Have you ever wondered why you can pour a glass of water, but you can't pour a block of wood? The answer is matter. Everything you see, touch, and smell is made of it. The simple definition is anything that has mass, it weighs something, and takes up space. Think of a balloon. When you blow air into it, it gets bigger and slightly heavier. That proves even invisible air is matter. It's physical stuff, unlike heat or light, which are just energy. To understand matter, you just need to know its 3 secret rules. Think of it as the user manual for the universe. First, everything is made of trillions of tiny particles. Second, these particles are always moving. Even in a solid, they vibrate constantly. And third, there are always tiny spaces between them. Knowing these rules is the key to understanding the physical world. These 3 rules create the states of matter we see every day. In a solid, particles are locked together in a rigid structure, giving it a fixed shape. In a liquid, particles have more energy, allowing them to slide past one another. That's why water takes the shape of its container. And in a gas, particles have so much energy they fly around freely, expanding to fill any space, which is why you can smell a cake baking from another room. So what's the only difference between an ice cube, a puddle of water, and a cloud of steam? Just energy. Adding or removing heat forces those particles to change their dance, from vibrating to sliding to flying free. It's the foundation of all chemistry. So look around you. The solid table, the liquid in your glass, the air you're breathing. They are all just different solutions to the same elegant rules.